Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. As we discussed yesterday that we are looking for buy only after giving a pullback. So I think you remember as I said. So today in my Telegram group, here you can see this is the Telegram channel. And what I told that Bank Nifty, this is the market structure and the session and demand area. So means we are looking for buy near breakout of structure level and a demand level, or session breakout level, or you can say like rejection level. So finally price open gap down today. Let me show you here. So price open a gap down and we start trading here. So today I placed 8 trade, total 8 trade. Among the 8 trade, two trade gone loss. It hit my SL, and the rest of the 6th trade is a positive. All right, my SL is 10 rupees in a spot chart, in a premium chart, and my target is 40 rupees. So you can calculate according to you. All right, me and my student all are doing that thing. All right, so we exactly analyzing how we trade before market takeoff. Right, so let me show you here. So here I can see first we got opportunity, multiple opportunity we have seen, and here, and the multiple opportunity we have seen. Let me show you where exactly I entered today. So this is my entry point today. Let me zoom a little bit. When I can see here, we enter one trade, first trade we enter, but again we got some opportunity here. So we add another position. Again, we have seen some opportunity. Again, we enter. In the same row, I add 3 times. That means 3 trade we did here. So finally 1:4, 1:4. You can see 1:4, 1:4. All are 1:4, 1:4 target. All right. So means 10 rupees is SL and 40 rupees my target. All right. So next here I can see 2 trade which hit my SL. All right, 10 rupees SL, 10 rupees SL. And the next here I can see again 10 SL and the 40 target. Again I got some opportunity here, but here price not able to hit my SL. But again I add when I got opportunity. All right, signal. All right, finally here we close our position. Again later here you can see we've got opportunity, some buy signal, so we enter 1:4. So good profit today. All right, so let me explain for tomorrow. So here I can see this is some market. Let me show you the structure of the market today. So here is the market structure. Today's market structure. Even I'm looking for buy only. I don't want to sell because still market is running in a uptrend. All right, so let me show you. This is the higher point. Okay, and this is the structure. Okay, market structure, and here I can see. So we have to shift this demand zone to this level. Okay, so means we are looking for buy above 41,000. Sorry, 43,200. So if price stay above this level, so we are looking for buy. Or if price break this level, like 43,000, will be seller. Okay. All right. So this is the entire market structure. If price break this level, so definitely we start selling according to the price action method. But here I can see very interesting pattern they are forming, but still price in between this area. Which area? This is called buyer territory. From here to here. All right. So entire territory called buyer territory. All right. This is called buyer territory. But if price break this level, so I'm a little bit interested. So I will reduce my lot size toward the downside. But if price stay like that, if I got some opportunity, I'll increase my lot size. All right. So once the break this structure, so definitely I will buy aggressively. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for giving me your valuable time.